today we are going to display how to do ajwain duni or ajwain smoke to clear our Vishuddhi chakra. And you can buy these quick lightning charcoals online or any store. From Amazon you can find this is Cree King quick lightning charcoal. They use for the hookah, but we are not going to use for that. Now we are going to use for inhaling this smoke of ajwain. This is the lighted one. When you light this charcoal, it quickly lights and becomes red hot coal. And you need to find something, you can buy a dope holder. Here we use 2 metal balls, and another small metal ball is upside down, creating the air gap vacuum so that heat won't transfer. Still it is warm to touch, but it's not hot. So, and you need a setup like this. We have a table or any something, chair or something which is height like heighter than your head, and you need a bed sheet. This is the ghee camphor that I'm going to show you. We need to use this at the end of the camphor ajwain treatment. Because of the dry smoke, our nostril gets dry, so we need to apply that ghee camphor. So let me show you. So here is the setup, and we are outside. You can do inside also, but you can light this charcoal outside because it has some chemicals. I don't know what it is, but it gives something not pleasant smoke. So you want to light it outside, holding we just quickly light it and put it there. You can hold the tongs or something and you can light it. And you need a spoon to, after burning this ajwain, so you're gonna scrape it down. It's gonna fall in the bowl. So let's show you. We're gonna put the big bed sheet to make a tent, and the table is gonna help to hold the high up. Even one person can sit down and do. Because this is a hard charcoal, you want to be careful. So you're gonna inhale using spoon. You're gonna scrape down when it fully burns. See. So this is a setup you wanna do to clear the Vishuddhi chakra. And you're gonna do the charcoal stays on for I think more than 30 minutes. We do for quite a few minutes, like 15-20 minutes. You're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it. If it's too much, you're gonna open the bed sheet and you're gonna let it escape all the smoke. And again, you're gonna put the new ajwain seeds and you're gonna inhale. So the ajwain seeds, so we kept it in a box, but you can buy from any Indian store. These are the seeds, ajwain. These are called ajwain. So these are the seeds you want to inhale, and you can use the same smoke, go around the house to cleanse the house or purify the house. And let me show you the ghee. Camphor means there is a edible camphor. Little pinch of the camphor is inside, and we don't use dropper or melt because it takes extra effort, energy. So we put in the regular ghee also fine. You can find it any Indian store, or you can melt the butter, take the milk solids out, filter out, and you're gonna have this oil from the butter. So you're gonna add a pinch of edible camphor, not the synthetic one. So this one we're gonna use in the nose when this is done. So take a little bit pea size and you're gonna stuff it in the nose this side, and you're gonna tilt the head back, and it is going to melt with the body temperature immediately. What it does is it moisturizes, it takes out the dryness, and so that the inside peritoneum works, and it can filter all the virus and negativities. So it is the only ritual that Shri said you need to follow. Thank you for your kind attention and watching. Jai Shri Mataji.